cover nails, I made it to the top 12, and this challenge is Seeing Clearly by Orly. Wouldn't it be great if we have a crystal ball to see the future? To see how my life is going to bloom, who is my real love, and who loves me with infinity love. What direction should I take? Should I go right or should I go left? Do I really want to see my life clearly or in colors? In Orly colors. Orly wants us to extend, encapsulate, and do embellishments with their new product, Gel FX Builder in a Bottle. Add the perfect kit form and primer. I started by overlapping the free edge with Orly Gel FX, drawing down the product. After curing, I add some ornaments that I want to encapsulate. Then, I apply the Gel FX onto the entire nail surface to encapsulate the ornaments. I float the Gel FX down the center of the nail to create the apex. This product is a time saver. It's self-leveling, so I didn't need to overwork the product to encapsulate. That means less file and more time for designs. I'm going to use the same technique to build the rest of my nails. I made an infinity love charm that I'm going to encapsulate. I gave different looks to my nails by drawing the shape I want over the nail and filing around the shape. With Gel FX overlaid on a paper, I copied the same shape as one of my nails and mixed Orly color with top coat for a jelly effect. One super trend for 2018 was the candy ball, and I want to try it for this challenge but with an universe in it, because what is magic without the stars? Extending and curing a thin layer of Gel FX, I made a very flexible cover for my nail, adding on it some ornaments and filling them with Orly colors. Gel FX is so flexible that my ornament can fit any nail. The next ornament is very special for me because my grandma Pila taught me how to do it since I was a little girl. I made some petals with wire. Then I mixed Orly gel colors with Gel FX to give some elasticity. I dip the petals into the mix and the color stays in the middle of the petal like magic. For the center of the flower, I made a little candy ball with the Gel FX Builder in a Bottle. For the petals of the flower, I mix Orly gel colors with Gel FX and I drag the mix down. Then cure and top coat them. I cut the stripes into petal shapes. I start giving shape to my flower by gluing the candy ball into the center and the petals around. When I was happy with the look of my flower, I glue the flower to the nail and start adding the little blue petals on the sides. I add some crystals around for the final look with Gel FX. Thank you so much Nails Magazine and Orly for this opportunity. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, if you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. Besos en pura vida.